At first, please double-click TSolidX Layout. If you do not have an existing layout file and want to create a new one, the first thing to do is creating a new library. Click Library and New, or click this New Library button. A window for entering library information appears. Enter the library name and select the unit. As an example, I will enter the name as EX, and then select the path in which to save the library. In this case, I will use the default path, and click OK button. Another window is showed up, which is to input the cell name. I will also enter the cell name as EX, and click OK button. And I will explain about Layer Manager. The Layer Manager displays layer name, layer color, and option status of the layers defined in the technology editor file called tech file. As we don't have any information about the tech file, there is nothing right now. So how do we define a tech file? Move the mouse to the Layer Manager, click the right mouse button, and select Technology Editor, or click here. Through this window, you can set the name and purpose of each layer. If you click Purpose, there are 4 types: Dummy, Drawing, Metal, and Simulation. Dummy is for guide mask. Drawing is for dielectric materials, and metal is for electrodes. For the simulation area, please be sure to set the purpose of the simulation area to Simulation. As an example, I will define the layers. This. Therefore, the layers that I defined are showed up. From now on, we are all set ready to design the mask. Click the particular layer name and utilize this create and element functions like this. The second case is the method to load the previously saved layout file and create the project file for using the TSolidX Creator. I will double-click TSolidX Layout once again. So, to load the file, click Library and Open, or click this Open Library button, or just drag and drop this layout file. By double-clicking the cell name in Cell Explorer, you can check the mask layout. Also, you can identify the saved tech file through Technology Editor. By double-clicking each layer name, you can check the mask, and if you select the particular layer name and click the right mouse button, there are various types of viewer options. For example, if I select Make Other Layers Invisible, it means that only simulation area mask is showed up. The next one is creating a project file. To create a project file to be used in TSolidX Creator, select the simulation area and click this Generating button. The coordinate information of the simulation area is automatically displayed. Min X and min Y is here, width and height. And then select the path in which to save the project file. And define the name for the project file. And then click Create. You can see that the solid file is saved in the folder. So this is the end of the explanation of TSolidX Layout. I skipped the advanced functions for drawing mask. Therefore, for more information about them, it would be good to refer to the manual.